Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the aspect ratio of Nano Banana. So whenever you try to upload an image and edit that, like I have uploaded image of this image which is a 1:1 ratio, and I tried to give the command to change the aspect ratio to 16:9, but it didn't change. So to fix this problem, I going to show you another example. Like as you can see, I uploaded another image of here, which is also a 1:1 ratio. And then again, I uploaded a blank image and then I give a specific prompt here. And right now, as you can see, it changed the aspect ratio of that image. And also you can edit from there, like make the text saying fix aspect ratio. And I can also edit that image with the same aspect ratio. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, you just need to go to the generate media option in Google AI Studio, and after that choose try Nano Banana, click on Nano Banana, and after that you just need to create a blank aspect ratio image. So go to Nano Banana Hugging Face. I'll give the link in the description box. So you just need to go to this page here, and you can see in the left corner aspect ratio. There's multiple aspect ratio you can choose from. You can choose any type of aspect ratio. So I'm just going to choose 16:9, and if you click generate, it will start to generate the same aspect ratio for you of the blank image, and it will also give you the prompt here. So you just need to download this. Just click on this download and it will be downloaded on your PC. And after that, you just need to go to the Nano Banana and upload your file on Google AI Studio. For example, I'm uploading this image, which is also a 1:1 ratio. And after that, you just need to upload the blank image that I downloaded. Upload the blank image. Then just copy this prompt and paste it and click run. And it will fix the aspect ratio for you. And this will take the subject from this image and it will make the image in this canvas in the blank image, and it will give you the 16:9 ratio. As you can see, this is the image. Now it can make some mistakes. As you can see, this is by 16:9 ratio, but it gave me double Nano Banana killer. So for now we can edit further from here to remove the Nano Banana killer text from this, or also change the background from this. Just like I have an image here, let me show you. So as you can see, this is the image. I uploaded another blank image, copy the prompt, and this is the 16:9, and change the background to Green Studio, and you can see the background is now into green. So this is how you can also edit the image with Nano Banana with the aspect ratio that you wanted. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.